Hello YouTube. Here's a short video. It's going to be a workaround on these blinkers that I installed. And like I said in the original video, I don't know how long that rubber band's going to last. Well, it lasted about 10 days. I came home from work and this was laying on the floor. A rubber band had broke. I'm going to show you guys what I did to fix it. Real simple. Let's see if we can focus in there. What I did was I drilled an elongated hole here at the back part of the bracket. This is where the rubber band would go around and wrap around. I drilled a hole through both sides, right at the back of this brace, and then just slipped a hose clamp in there. This is the clamp I used. Inch and 5/16 to 2 1/4 clamp, and I used one of these nifty little thumb screw. Worked real good. So that takes care of the stupid rubber band. I've got the seat off right now to show this. But yeah, that worked really good. Piece of cake. Took me about 15 minutes. I drilled the holes, 1, 2, 3, about 4 holes. And then elongated it with the drill and then just cleaned it up with a little teeny file set I have. And that's that. See, this combo set is actually for the front. It goes on the head tube. It's supposed to go on the head tube up here. Now on a normal bicycle, that head tube is smaller than this extra large steel frame on this Sikk Ped. I guess I could have mounted it here. And these two are supposed to go on the rear tubes. Back here, these. See, but it doesn't matter. There's no set way you gotta install it. It's just that this is the way it worked best for me. So we're going to turn these flashers off. That's it. So that's how to fix that. Real simple, real quick, and it's not going anywhere now. Not afraid of it falling off and breaking. I've almost got that 27.5 finished. I got a new bottom bracket. Can you see it down there? And a wide pedal crank for it. And my pedals are 1/2 inch and that needs 9/16. So I gotta buy new pedals. Whatever. But that's it. Throw the clutch and the chains on it. And it's ready. Oh, I got this stupid little OCC chopper bike over here I put back together. Painted it up. You can do wonders with paint. But anyway, I'll sell this to somebody. Somebody wants to put a 2-stroke on it or something. Whatever. Well, that's it. That's the fix. If these rubber bands go on here on the front, I'll figure out a way to do them too. The bracket's a little different in the front. But anyway, that's that. So, piece of cake, easy as pie. And I will talk to you later.